All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl AshleySavoi. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG Ride or Die Savage subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and rocking with your girl on today's video. Today I'm gonna be doing a foundation review for the semi-new L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Freshwear foundation. I've seen this in a few videos here on YouTube, and I apologize, my daughter is listening to her YouTube shows behind me, so if you do hear that, I apologize. But I've seen this on a few videos here on YouTube, and I saw it in the store and I really wanted to try it because they have so many different lines with so many different foundations in their Infallible collection. So, and I have like all of them, and I wanted to try this one. So today I'm going to be doing a wear test for you guys, just a full first impression review of this. And I also do want to the same thing for this new Maybelline 24-hour tattoo studio. It's an eyebrow product. What is it called? Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. So both of these claim to last 24 hours, so that's why I want to try them both in today's video. Excuse me, I don't know if I'm gonna go the full 24 hours or not, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna first apply the foundation for you guys. The foundation says that it's a breathable, buildable coverage up to 24-hour fresh complexion. So I'm just gonna use the primers that I've been using, and hopefully it works well with this product. For today's primer, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Professional Primer. I use this from time to time. I like the way that it feels. The texture is really nice. So I'm gonna use that today, and I did moisturize before I got on camera with you guys, so gotta always take care of the skin before you go in with your complexion products. Okay, so the primer is on. As you guys know, for my foundation reviews, I like to do one side of my face with the sponge, the other side with the brush, just to see which one gives me the best finish. So I'm gonna go with the sponge first on one side, and by the way, I did get the shade 530, which is also called, I don't know, Deep Amber. So I'm not sure if it's my shade. I did swatch it on the back of my hand in the store, and I was like, it was a little bit darker than my hand, like just, not darker, but it's just a little bit more red on the back of my hand. But my face and my hand aren't, or my face or my hand is not the same shade as my chest, which I usually match to my chest, so hoping that it's a match. I'm just gonna get a little bit, looks like this. I'm gonna put it on my chest and see the way it swatches. You guys can't see because I'm not in frame, so let me get up here and show you guys what's on my chest right here. It's a little bit red, but I think it's gonna be the best match for me. I usually, when I try to go for red foundations, because that's my undertone, the foundation might be a little bit darker, but I'll go in with concealer, and that'll brighten it up and balance everything out. Just gonna apply some on this side. I love that it's a pump applicator. You gotta love a pump applicator so you can have some control over how much product you're wearing. I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and blend this all out. So I like the finish of this side. It gives me a really even coverage. I don't need like a lot of full coverage, but I do prefer full coverage when it comes to foundations. So I think right now it's like medium, but it does say that it's buildable. So right now I'm gonna leave it like this because I think it really evened out my skin tone really, really well. And I'm gonna go on this side with a brush. I'm using about 2 pumps on each side, so you can see how much it evened my skin tone compared to this other side. Just gonna take my brush. This is the Morphe M439. I'm just gonna apply it on this side. You guys know, using a brush, you're gonna get more coverage with a brush than you will with a sponge. Soaks up a little bit of product. Sponge. You guys know it's pretty hard for me to find a foundation that matches me. Looking on the monitor though, it does look kind of orange in comparison to like this area, but like I said, we're gonna put on concealer and even everything out. Y'all, tell me why I got one earring in. Oh my god. There's Lonnie. Give me a kiss. So the foundation is on. I think both sides look really good. The brush did give me more of a coverage, obviously, but I'm not mad at either side. I'm gonna go back on this side with just like half a pump of foundation. The foundation is on. I'm gonna do the eyebrows with you guys, and then we will get on the wear test. The product comes in the little pomade jar, and then it comes with this little tool with the spoolie and the angled brush on the side. So the shade that I picked up for this is in the shade Deep Brown 380. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the product. So I believe this is the darkest shade they have in this product. It's coming off a little like an ashy brown. I mean, in person it doesn't look that bad. Well, it is like not super dark like what I'm used to, but I feel like once I go underneath with concealer, you'll be able to see it more. So we're gonna see, but it kind of look ashy. This one's giving me ashy vibes, so we gonna see. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera, and then I'll come back to you guys once my makeup is done and talk to you about both products, how I'm feeling about them, and then we'll go on about our day and do a wear test. Hey guys, so I'm back and my face is completed. As far as the foundation, I think it still looks really, really good. It looks like really good. It looks really flawless. And then as far as the eyebrow product goes, I don't know if I would purchase this again, just because I don't like the color. It's kind of too light for what I'm used to for my eyebrows. I like my eyebrows to kind of stand out a little bit more, and I feel like this is more like an ashy brown, like I said before, and it's kind of like something that I might use for everyday eyebrow maybe, but not like for glam. I want my eyebrows to be like a little bit darker than what they are. I'm looking at my chest and my face. I feel like there is a little bit of a difference, but that might just be because of like the bronzing that I did, because it's a little bit more warm there. But other than that, I like the finish of the foundation, and right now it's wearing good. So right now, I don't know what time of day, my daughter had my phone. Right now it's currently 10:20 a.m. So I'm gonna try to wear this foundation for as long as I can, and the eyebrow product as well. But I mean, I think I can probably, for sure, I can do 12 hours. But I don't know about 24. I don't know about 24. We're gonna see. But yeah, so far I like the finish. I think it looks really, really nice. Hey y'all, so what time is it right now? It's currently 8:44. I'm sure you can see the situation going on right here. My nose is like out of control, which typically happens with my makeup. But for this foundation to say it's gonna last 24 hours, and it's only hour 10. I don't know. Y'all, I still got one earring in, but you know, a lot of things come into play when it comes to like how the foundation is gonna work. The primer, with my battery is low, but anyways, the primer, any skincare user underneath, I did use a really hydrating moisturizer today, so let me play a part. The setting powder, the concealer I used today was a cream concealer, so that may play a part as well. But right now it's not really doing too hot in my T-zone, but everywhere else it still looks really flawless. So it may just be the concealer, the powder, primer, everything like that I used today. So I'm not gonna totally write it off. It's not a terrible foundation at all. I just know I'm not gonna make the 24 hours, and I probably won't even make the 12 hours because I'm so tired and I'm ready to just take this makeup off. So yeah, but other than like my T-zone, I think it looks good. As far as the eyebrows, I guess it looks good, but when I do touch it, I do get some on my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I don't know if that will last 24 hours. Like if you lay in it and you sleep and you just rub it and stuff, I feel like it will come off. But it stays okay. Like I told you guys before, I don't really like the shade at all. But other than that, it's okay. If it was darker, I probably would wear it all the time. But yeah, I'm ready to take this off. So I'm sorry I couldn't make it for the entire 12 hours that I promised you guys, but I do like how it looks on the side of my face. The T-zone isn't working. I think I just might need to use a more mattifying primer in my T-zone. But other than that, the foundation looks good. So I'm sorry that I seem so sleepy and like groggy and just not in the most excited mood. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm not gonna totally write this foundation off. I like to try things with different products. So I'm gonna try it out with different primers, different concealers and stuff like that, powders, and see how it works out. Cause I really like the shade. I think the shade worked really good for me, kinda, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you smash that like button. Click the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss the upload from me. And to get notified every single time I upload a new video, please make sure that you click that notification bell down there as well, just so that every time your girl pop up on the YT, you get a little notification, okay? Hashtag notification gang if you are already have clicked the bell in the comments. Also, if you have any questions about this product review for the 2 products that I reviewed today for you guys, make sure you leave those down in the comments below as well. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching this video and rocking with me again, and I will see y'all savages in the next video. Bye.